Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. Phuket Real Estate Investment. Phuket, the largest island in Thailand, is known for its beautiful beaches, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant nightlife. In recent years, Phuket has emerged as a popular destination for real estate investment due to its growing economy, favorable tax policies, and stunning natural beauty. In this article, we will explore two strategies for investing in residential and commercial real estate in Phuket and provide advice for potential investors. Strategy 1. Purchase of residential or commercial real estate in the early stages of construction with subsequent resale. Phuket offers a range of residential and commercial properties for investment, including villas, houses, condominiums, and commercial properties. In this strategy, investors purchase properties that are still in the early stages of construction and sell them once the construction is complete. This strategy is suitable for investors who are looking for a short-term investment with high returns. To invest in this strategy, investors need to have a minimum investment of around THB 5 million, approximately $160,000. The maximum amount will depend on the type of property and its location. The return on investment for this strategy can be high, with some investors earning returns of up to 30% within a year. However, the return on investment will depend on factors such as the location of the property, the demand for properties in the area, and the quality of the construction. When it comes to purchasing the property, investors can buy from real estate developers, real estate agents, or owners. However, it is important to do thorough research on the developer, agent, or owner to ensure that they have a good reputation and a history of delivering quality properties. The risks of this strategy include delays in construction, changes in the real estate market, and potential legal issues. Strategy 2. Purchase of residential and commercial real estate with subsequent lease with the conclusion of a contract with the management company or renting on their own. The second strategy for investing in Phuket is to purchase residential and commercial properties and lease them out. This strategy is suitable for investors who are looking for a long-term investment with steady rental income. Investors can purchase villas, houses, condominiums, or commercial properties in Phuket for this strategy. The minimum investment amount for this strategy is around THB 2 million, approximately $64,000. The return on investment for this strategy can be high, with some investors earning rental yields of up to 10% per year. The rental yield will depend on factors such as the location of the property, the demand for properties in the area, and the quality of the property. When it comes to purchasing the property, investors can buy from real estate developers, real estate agents, or owners. It is important to research the management company that will be responsible for leasing out the property and managing it. The risks of this strategy include potential tenant issues, changes in the real estate market, and potential legal issues. What types of properties are offered in Phuket for investment? Villas, houses, condominiums, commercial properties. Phuket is a popular destination for both tourists and investors looking to buy real estate. There are a variety of properties available for investment in Phuket, including villas, houses, condominiums, and commercial properties. Villas are a popular choice for those who are looking for a luxurious vacation home or permanent residence. They offer plenty of space, privacy, and often come with stunning views. Houses are another popular choice and can be found in various sizes and styles. Condominiums, or condos, are ideal for those looking for a low-maintenance and more affordable property. Commercial properties such as hotels, resorts, and restaurants are also available for investment in Phuket. How much money do you need to invest? Minimum and maximum amounts. The amount of money needed to invest in real estate in Phuket varies depending on the type of property and location. The minimum amount for a small condo can start at around 1 million baht, approximately $30,000, while a luxury villa or commercial property can cost several $1,000,000. It is important to note that foreign nationals are subject to restrictions on property ownership in Thailand and can only own up to 49% of a condo building. What can be the return on each type of property? The return on investment in Phuket can vary depending on the type of property, location, and market conditions. According to Phuket.net, rental yields for villas in Phuket can range from 3% to 12% depending on the location, size, and quality of the property. Rental yields for condos can range from 5% to 7%. It is important to keep in mind that rental income can be affected by factors such as seasonality and competition in the market. Who better to buy from, real estate developers, real estate agents, or owners? When buying real estate in Phuket, it is important to work with a reputable real estate agency that has experience in the local market. They can provide valuable advice on property selection, legal requirements, and negotiation with the seller. It is also recommended to work with a lawyer to ensure all legal requirements are met. It is possible to buy from real estate developers, agents, or individual owners. However, it is important to do proper due diligence on the seller and the property to avoid any potential risks. What are the risks? Investing in real estate always involves some level of risk, and Phuket is no exception. Some of the risks to consider when investing in Phuket include fluctuations in the property market, changes in government policies and regulations, and potential legal issues. It is important to do proper research and work with professionals to minimize these risks. When buying, selling, or renting out a property in Phuket, there are several taxes and fees that an investor should be aware of. Buying property in Phuket. When buying a property in Phuket, the buyer is required to pay a transfer fee of 2% of the appraised value of the property. Additionally, there is a stamp duty of 0.5% of the purchase price and a specific business tax of 3.3% of the appraised value or the purchase price, whichever is higher. Selling a property in Phuket. When selling a property in Phuket, the seller is required to pay a withholding tax of 1% of the appraised value or the selling price, whichever is higher. Renting out property in Phuket. When renting out a property in Phuket, the landlord is required to pay a personal income tax on the rental income, which is calculated based on a progressive tax rate ranging from 5 to 35%. The government agencies and departments in Phuket that regulate and register real estate transactions are 1. Department of Lands. This department is responsible for the registration of land and real estate transactions in Phuket. It is a part of the Ministry of Interior and has several offices located throughout Phuket. Website: https://www.dol.go.th/pages/home.aspx. 2. Land Transport Office. This office is responsible for registering vehicles and issuing driving licenses. For real estate transactions, the Land Transport Office is responsible for the transfer of ownership of vehicles that are included in the sale of a property. Website: https://www.dlt.go.th/n. 3. Department of Business Development. This department is responsible for registering businesses in Phuket. It is a part of the Ministry of Commerce and is responsible for the registration of companies and partnerships involved in real estate transactions. Website: https://www.dbd.go.th/dbdweb_n. 4. Provincial Electricity Authority. This agency is responsible for providing electricity services to Phuket. For real estate transactions, the Provincial Electricity Authority is responsible for transferring the electricity meter to the new owner of the property. Website: https://www.pea.co.th. 5. Phuket Provincial Administration Organization. This organization is responsible for the administration of the Phuket province. It is a local government agency that provides services to the public, including the issuance of building permits and other construction-related approvals. Website: https://phuketpow.go.th/frontpage. Foreign nationals interested in investing in real estate in Phuket should be aware of the local regulations and consult with a reputable real estate agency in Phuket to ensure compliance with all legal requirements. In conclusion, investing in real estate in Phuket can be a lucrative and rewarding venture for foreign nationals. There are two main strategies for investing in residential and commercial properties in Phuket: the purchase of properties in the early stages of construction with subsequent resale, and the purchase of properties for leasing. When considering investing in real estate in Phuket, it is important to work with a reputable and experienced real estate agency in Phuket. They can provide valuable advice and guidance on the local market and regulations, as well as help identify suitable properties and negotiate deals. Potential foreign investors should also be aware of the taxes and fees associated with buying, selling, and renting out property in Phuket. It is recommended to seek advice from a professional accountant or lawyer before making any investment decisions. Overall, with its beautiful scenery, growing tourism industry, and attractive property prices, Phuket offers a wealth of opportunities for real estate investment. By following the right strategies and working with the right professionals, foreign nationals can enjoy great returns on investment and a beautiful vacation destination to visit in the future.